So basically, you need a needle cap, one needle. You can buy a full box, like 90 Hong Kong dollar in a pharmacy. They have different diameter, so you can ask for the thinner one, okay? A lighter, maybe from 7-Eleven or from your friends. And the gloves. I insert and I push to the top, okay? So it's like this, okay? Then I'm gonna start to melt the plastic tube from the needle cap. So that's why you need gloves. So you can, okay, you see it's already melting. So I'm gonna press on it. And the last part, you're gonna remove that part. It's all plastic, so don't worry. It just takes a little bit of time, it's gonna melt. Be careful to environment if you have something that can burn very easily. And careful to your skin. Huh? Okay, now if you get closer, you can see you don't have any more plastic on it. Okay? Done.